Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the show, starring me. I'm the one that people came to see. I'm the one with the CDL, and I'm the one with the vibes. I'm the real T.J. I'm the real T.J. I'm the real T.J. Me! This is my channel. Viewers want adventure, laughs, and action, and I'm the whole package. It's mine. Mine. It's mine. Mine. It's mine. Mine. It's mine. All right, man. Let's start the show. Hold on, man. This is my show. Grab a seat, honk that subscribe button, and let's ride. You got it. All right, y'all. So this is what's going on today. Y'all know the other day I got my wheel seal fixed on my drive axle on the driver's side. But I did my pre-trip this morning, and it's oil all over the damn drive axle. And y'all can see it in the video right here. Look what I found during my pre-trip. I just got this fixed the day before yesterday from Petro, and it's fucking oil from my wheel seal. So they obviously didn't fix it. Look at that shit coming out of there. All right, here we go again. So anyway, I got on the phone with Road Rescue, and I got to hit up to a TA right now and get it fixed. And they're gonna have to fix it and charge it to the other Petro TA that fixed it, well, so-called fixed it. And now that's what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm on my way to go do that. So y'all ride with me, let's go. Before I get on the road, it's a few things that I have to make sure that I have before I get out there. The first thing I need to have is my headset. Second thing I need to have is my sunglasses. Third thing I need to have is my monsters. Fourth thing I need to have is my waters. And the fifth thing I need to have is my tissues, because I can't be picking my nose and wiping boogers on the steering wheel.
We vibe, we lay, you purple, you gay, you need jazz, lil' fame, I'm on war, got the same, for real. I try to tell you motherfucker time and time, for real. Pussy ass, purple ass nigga, man, for real.
All right, y'all, so this is the deal. I called Road Rescue. I'm at the TA right now. Oh, let me take this off. I'm at the TA right now, and they're gonna have somebody come here that can fix it here from a different TA, because this TA that I'm at right now, they don't have the tools to fix it. And so the other TA is going to send somebody out here to come fix it here. So all I could do now at this point is just wait. That shop over there, they said that they didn't have the tool that they needed to fix my wheel seal. So all of this is getting charged back to the original shop that I went to. See, I didn't know that Petro is TA. I didn't know that, because it says TA truck service right there. So they're gonna come out here, fix it, because they didn't have the part, and they're gonna be out here within another hour and a half to 2 hours. So it's pretty much a wrap for the day. I've been through this before multiple times, so all I could do is wait, man. So I'm about to just chill, get something to eat, and probably fuck with some videos or something for YouTube. Howdy, man.
So you do have disc brakes.
Uh-huh.
It's gonna have to wait. We got another tech coming in at 4. Hopefully he has the sockets he needs. If not, I have no idea when we'll be able to get you in, but he's our next best bet.
Well, they called me and said that they're not gonna be able to get to my wheel seal until Monday. So I don't know, I'm gonna call Road Rescue and find out if possibly I can go somewhere tomorrow. But pretty much a dead week. It's over. So I ain't even tripping. I don't even care, actually. It just is what it is at this point. All right, y'all, so it's Sunday. They told me yesterday that they wasn't gonna be able to get to my truck until Monday. So at this point, it's a dub. I don't know what the fuck's gonna happen. They came, they took my trailer. Look at that. They took my trailer. You know, once they found out that I was broke down, they took the ass off my trailer. I'm ass out now. I'm ass out. They sent somebody to come get the damn trailer. So pretty much it is what it is. I don't even know if they're gonna be able to get to it tomorrow, being as though I don't know if today's Easter or what, I don't know. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. So that's what it is, man. I wanted to end off the video and basically have good news that I was gonna be back on the road. But unfortunately, when it comes to trucking, you know, it never always ends with good news. So yeah, I'm about to go in here, give me some chicken, and just go ahead and watch some TV, man, and just chill out, man. I don't even really give a damn at this point. It is what it is. You know, I had too much time to be upset and mad and disappointed. So at this point, it just is what it is. You know, fuck it. But yeah, they called me. They said they're not gonna be able to get to it till Monday. So at this point, like I said, it's a dub. When life gives you lemons, you go and get a 4-piece from Popeyes, you know, from the Popeyes here at this truck stop. So that's what it is. I appreciate y'all. Maybe tomorrow I'll be able to give y'all some good news. All right, so I'm inside of the TA right now, and it's crazy because they told me that the other TA was basically saying that they fixed a different drive axle than the one that I told them that they fixed and then it messed up. So they were trying to battle me on the fact that I had it wrong, but I had video, and that's why it was good, because I had video documentation that they had fixed the drive axle on the left-hand side, on the driver's side, but they were saying, nah, they fixed the one that was on the passenger side. And I'm like, and they were trying to make it seem like I was the one that was wrong and that they wasn't gonna be able to cover it because I was talking about a different drive axle that they didn't fix, and I had the proof that they did. And here we are right here. That's the paperwork. And I got the video too as well. So now that y'all seen the video, y'all know that I'm not lying. So now they're inside. I'm inside now. About to get everything fixed, and Lord allow, I could be out of here today. They're working on it again. I have to get the brakes done because they said it was too much oil over the brakes. Too much oil got on the brakes, so I got to get the brakes fixed too as well. They're almost done. Once that door goes up, I am going to back out. All right, so I'm all done. Got everything back on. Got everything back good. Yeah, so I'm all done. Yeah, we out. I guess I gotta call Stevens back and see if I can get a load going on. People ask me all the time, you know, what do I feel about, you know, breaking down and going through what I go through out here on the road thus far. And what I would say is that don't get upset at every time the truck breaks down, and just understand that there's other people out here that's going through the same thing that you're going through, maybe even worse. It just sucks that, you know, when it's actually going down for the first time, you don't necessarily like really know what to do in every situation. You're pretty much gonna be on your own. So I'm just keeping it funky. You're pretty much gonna be on your own. You're just gonna have to use your resources that, you know, that you have, like calling road rescue, calling your trainer and, you know, complaining like hell to your family when they get on the phone with you. Always remember that you can reach out to your trainer because your trainer been through what you're going through and they can give you the best advice on how to get through the situation. So what would I say about my experience since I've been out here on the road? Fuck it, we on to the next load. I'll see you on the other side on the next video.
Still up in that beta stage, this should go and wake him up. 200 for saving grace, I feel I wasn't paid enough. Predicting what I complain about when I